So uncivilized.
It's going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. Let's make a night. You won't remember. I'll be the one. You won't forget.
Then we decided to come and rescue you. Good job. That was some shortcut, Anakin. He went completely the other way. Once again, you've proved...
If you'll excuse me. I hate it when he does that.
Kill him now.
I shouldn't.
Do it.
Hello there.